This is a 1991 VW Vanagon camper that started off life as a passenger van, and in about 2010 got converted to a Westie using the interior and the roof out of a junkyard van. And since 2015 or something, I don't know, a while, it's had an SVX engine in it. And today I've pulled it in because it's time for this SVX engine to get pulled out. And we're actually going to replace the Subaru SVX engine with a newer Subaru 3-liter 6-cylinder engine out of an Outback. So, why am I doing that? Well, the SVX engine is a great engine. It makes a lot of power. It's very, very smooth. But it is annoying to work on. You see how close the belts are up here? And, you know, power steering. So if you have something like a power steering leak and you need to fix it, you can't really get to everything on this engine. It's so tight up here with the front of the van. And basically for everything that you need to do on the SVX maintenance-wise, other than like an oil change, you've got to drop down the engine. So you come in, drop down the carrier bar. There's the Volkswagen carrier bar. See that? And you have to drop it down, lower the engine, disconnect the axle shafts, and then you can access your belts or your water pump or whatever it may be. So it's a little annoying to work on. It's shoehorned in here. You can see we originally cut the firewall to fit in the SVX engine with this modified intake. And so that was tied up there. That was a modification we had to do. Had to modify this intake a bit to work. And we've had good use out of the SVX engines. I actually have two of them. This one, and there's another one over in storage. And I went down to the junkyard, and there were two SVX at the same time. I pulled two engines. I had everything with me, so I just went ahead and grabbed two. I've run them both. They both run. The other engine, I think the rings started to get a little coked up, and it started using oil. But, you know, it had good compression, good oil pressure. It still ran really good. And I had this engine, which I had run for a while when I first got the two of them. And it also had good oil pressure and everything else. Then I swapped in the one that I had been running that eventually started burning oil. And so I went back to this one. And since I've gone back to this one, it has an issue when it's cold, where there's some sensor that's not happy, and it doesn't want to stay idling until it gets a little warmed up. And I've given up. I don't know what it is. I've changed oxygen sensors and spark plugs and coil packs. I don't know what's going on. The other engine didn't do this. It's all the same ECU and everything, but this has a different set of sensors and harness on there. And so I'm tired of that. So that is why we are going to deconvert this SVX powered Vanagon. And instead, we're going to swap over to that newer 3-liter engine out of that early 2000s Subaru Outback. Alrighty. Well, we got plenty of work to do.